hypothesis testing for the population mean, where the population standard deviation is unknown, using the central limit theorem. In this example, we're looking at the value of free popcorn and drinks consumed by some customers who attend Kofi's cinema. The sample size is 60, and because we're looking at the sample here, the sample mean is 2.33, £2.33, and the sample standard deviation is 0.45. So these are all the sample values. We're going to test to see if the mean value of free popcorn and drinks is less than £2.50 using a 5% significance level. So just summarizing some of the values in the example. So we know that n, the sample size, is 60. This is the sample mean, sample standard deviation, s, and not sigma. Yeah, the population standard deviation is unknown. It's not given anywhere in the example. H0, the population mean is £2.50, and we're testing for less than, so this is H1. Because we're using this sample mean to do our test with, the central limit theorem states that if the population distribution is not normal, and there's no mention of the normal distribution here, and if we have a large random sample, so a large sample is more than 30, and we have that, then the sample mean will be normally distributed. This is what the central limit theorem states. So we can use the normal distribution to do our hypothesis test with. This is the formula to work out the test statistic, and substituting the values into this gives us a test statistic of minus 2.93. So now we need to do the sketch of the normal distribution, work out the critical value, the acceptance region, rejection region, and mark this value on there. So because we're looking for less than for H1, our critical region is on the left-hand side of the normal distribution. Looking up 95% from the tables gives us 1.6449. And because we're on the left-hand side, it's minus 1.6449. This is the critical value. Our test statistic, minus 2.93, is less than minus 1.6449. So we're going to reject H0. So we can say there is significant evidence, or sufficient evidence, that the mean value of popcorn and drinks is less than £2.50, and Kofi should use his plan.